Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove the continue watching from your Netflix application. Really easy and quick to do. So if we just head over to Netflix really quick and we go to the three lines at the bottom right, it says more, click on that tab, click on account, and it just lets you know that none of this stuff can be touched in the Netflix application. We have to go to the web browser to do so. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll just open up my web browser. I already have it logged in and loaded to Netflix. So you just have to go over to netflix.com and log into your account. And then you'll be at the portion I'm at right now. Once you've opened up Netflix, you want to click on the top three lines in the top left corner and click on account. Once you have the account open, you could scroll all the way down until you see profile and parental controls. So you just want to click on your account, scroll down on that, and you will see viewing activity. You want to click on view on viewing activity, and it's basically just going to show you all the stuff that you've watched on Netflix recently. So you can see I've been watching a ton of Modern Family. So what you need to do to get the continue watching thing to stop happening is because basically it just happens once you've watched enough of the same thing for a long period of time. So to remove this from happening, all we need to do is remove some of the videos from this or all of them. So totally up to you. If you want to remove some of them, you can just click on the little black circle with a line through it in the top right corner of each episode. So you can just click on that, hide from viewing history if you wanted to, or if you wanted to remove all of them at once, we can just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see an option hide all. So I'm not going to do that to mine, but if you just click on hide all there, it will remove all of them from here, and then you won't have to worry about seeing that continue watching thing ever again. Well, or at least until you don't watch a ton of it again. But anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.